Why do 80% of home cooks mess up their eggs? Let's scramble through the common mistakes and fix them. First up, cooking eggs on high heat. It's a no-no. Stick to low and slow for perfect results. Mistake 2. Overbeating your scrambled eggs. You're not making a meringue here. Gentle mix, folks, gentle mix. Third, skipping the seasoning. Come on, just a pinch of salt can do wonders. Number 4, using old eggs for poaching. Fresh eggs make all the difference. Fifth mistake, cracking eggs on the bowl's edge. Use a flat surface to avoid shell bits. Number 6, boiling eggs straight from the fridge. Let them warm up to room temp first. 7th, peeling eggs too early. Give them a few minutes to cool down for easier peeling. And finally, mistake 8, not cleaning the pan between batches. Residue can ruin the next round. Clean pan, happy eggs. There you have it. Avoid these mistakes and elevate your egg game. Happy cooking! Now that we've cracked the code on common egg cooking mistakes, let's whisk our way into why cooking eggs properly is so essential. Eggs are nutritional powerhouses, packed with protein, vitamins, and minerals. But did you know that the way you cook your eggs can impact their health benefits? When cooked correctly, eggs can help maintain muscle mass, support brain health, and even aid in weight management. But there's a flip side. Undercooked eggs can pose serious health risks. Raw or undercooked eggs can harbor harmful bacteria like salmonella, which can lead to food poisoning. Symptoms include stomach cramps, diarrhea, and fever. Not fun. To avoid these risks, always ensure your eggs are cooked thoroughly. For scrambled eggs, make sure they're firm and no longer runny. For boiled eggs, the yolk should be fully set. And if you're a fan of sunny-side-ups or poached eggs, cook until the whites are completely opaque. Remember, proper cooking not only enhances the flavor and texture of your eggs but also ensures you're reaping all their nutritional benefits safely. So keep those eggs sizzling and enjoy them to the fullest, worry-free. Now that we've covered the importance of cooking eggs properly, let's crack into another crucial topic: how to store eggs correctly. Proper egg storage can make all the difference in maintaining their freshness and nutritional value. First, always store eggs in the refrigerator. The temperature should be at or below 40 degrees C. This slows down the growth of any potential bacteria and helps keep your eggs fresh for longer. Avoid storing eggs in the refrigerator door, as the constant opening and closing can cause temperature fluctuations. Instead, keep them in the main body of the fridge where the temperature is more stable. It's also essential to keep eggs in their original carton. The carton not only protects the eggs from absorbing strong odors and flavors from other foods, but also helps prevent moisture loss. Plus, it has the expiration date printed on it, so you'll always know how fresh your eggs are. If you've cracked open an egg and have leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator and use them within 2 days. And remember, never wash eggs before storing them. Washing can remove the protective coating and make them more susceptible to bacteria. By following these simple tips, you can ensure your eggs stay fresh, safe, and delicious for as long as possible. Happy egg storing! Now that you know how to store your eggs correctly, let's dive into the fun part: cooking them. Eggs are incredibly versatile, and there are countless ways to prepare them. Today, we'll explore some of the most popular methods: boiling, frying, scrambling, and poaching. First up, boiling. Boiled eggs are a classic, whether you like them soft or hard. To make the perfect boiled egg, place your eggs in a saucepan and cover them with cold water. Bring the water to a boil, then reduce the heat and let them simmer. For soft-boiled, cook for about 4 to 6 minutes. For hard-boiled, 9 to 12 minutes. Once done, transfer them to a bowl of ice water to stop the cooking process. Next, let's talk frying. Fried eggs are a breakfast staple, and they come in different styles: sunny side up, over easy, or over hard. Heat a small amount of oil or butter in a non-stick skillet over medium heat. Crack the egg into the skillet and cook until the whites are set, but the yolk is still runny for sunny side up. For over easy, flip the egg and cook for an additional 30 seconds. For over hard, cook until the yolk is fully set. Scrambled eggs are another favorite. To make them fluffy and delicious, crack the eggs into a bowl and whisk until well combined. Add a pinch of salt and pepper. Heat some butter in a non-stick skillet over medium-low heat. Pour in the eggs and let them sit for a moment before gently stirring with a spatula. Continue to cook, stirring occasionally until they reach your desired consistency. Finally, poaching. Poached eggs are perfect for dishes like Eggs Benedict. To poach an egg, bring a pot of water to a gentle simmer. Add a splash of vinegar to help the whites set. Crack the egg into a small bowl, then gently slide it into the simmering water. Cook for about 3 to 4 minutes until the whites are set, but the yolk is still runny. Remove the egg with a slotted spoon and drain on a paper towel. By mastering these basic techniques, you'll be well on your way to becoming an egg cooking pro. Happy cooking! Now that you know the various ways to cook eggs, let's clear up some common misconceptions about this incredible food. In this segment, we'll debunk popular myths and set the record straight on the nutritional value of eggs. Myth 1. Eggs are high in cholesterol and bad for your heart. While it's true that eggs contain cholesterol, research has shown that dietary cholesterol doesn't significantly impact blood cholesterol levels for most people. In fact, eggs can be part of a heart-healthy diet when consumed in moderation. Myth 2. Brown eggs are healthier than white eggs. The color of an egg's shell is determined by the breed of the hen and has no effect on its nutritional value. Both brown and white eggs are equally nutritious. Myth 3. Eating raw eggs is a great way to get protein. While raw eggs do contain protein, they also pose a risk of salmonella infection. Cooking eggs not only makes them safer to eat, but also makes their protein more digestible. Myth 4. Eggs should be avoided if you want to lose weight. On the contrary, eggs are low in calories and high in protein, making them an excellent choice for those looking to shed some pounds. They can help you feel full longer, reducing the likelihood of overeating. Myth 5. Egg yolks are unhealthy and should be avoided. Egg yolks contain important nutrients like vitamins A, D, E, and B12, as well as healthy fats and antioxidants. While they do contain cholesterol, eating them in moderation is perfectly fine for most people. By understanding the facts and debunking these myths, you can make more informed decisions about including eggs in your diet. Remember, eggs are a versatile and nutritious food that can be enjoyed in many different ways. Stay informed and eat wisely. Welcome to Chapter 6, The Best Egg Recipes. Now that you know how versatile and nutritious eggs are, let's dive into some delicious and easy-to-make egg recipes for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. First up, breakfast, the classic omelet. Start by whisking 3 eggs in a bowl with a pinch of salt and pepper. Heat a non-stick pan with a bit of butter. Pour in the eggs and let them set slightly before adding your favorite fillings like cheese, tomatoes, and spinach. Fold the omelet in half and cook until the cheese is melted. It's a perfect way to start your day. Next, lunch avocado egg salad. Mash 1 ripe avocado in a bowl and mix it with 4 chopped hard-boiled eggs. Add a tablespoon of Greek yogurt, a squeeze of lemon juice, and season with salt and pepper. Serve it on whole grain toast or as a filling for a healthy wrap. It's creamy, delicious, and packed with nutrients. For dinner shakshuka. This one-pan dish is a Middle Eastern favorite. Start by sautéing diced onions, bell peppers, and garlic in olive oil until softened. Add a can of diced tomatoes and season with cumin, paprika, and a pinch of cayenne pepper. Make small wells in the mixture and crack an egg into each well. Cover the pan and let it simmer until the eggs are cooked to your liking. Garnish with fresh parsley and serve with crusty bread for a satisfying meal. These recipes are not only tasty, but also quick and easy to prepare, making them perfect for any meal of the day. Try them out and discover new ways to enjoy eggs in your diet. As we continue our journey into the world of eggs, it's important to consider the environmental impact of egg production. The way eggs are farmed can have significant effects on our planet, from water usage to greenhouse gas emissions. First, let's talk about conventional egg farming. This method often involves large-scale operations where hens are kept in confined spaces. These farms can produce a lot of waste and require substantial amounts of feed, water, and energy. The waste produced can lead to water pollution if not managed properly. On the other hand, there are more sustainable options available. Free-range and organic egg farming practices aim to reduce the environmental footprint. These methods typically allow hens more space to roam and access to the outdoors, which can lead to better waste management and reduced resource usage. When choosing eggs, look for certifications like USDA Organic or Certified Humane. These labels indicate that the eggs come from farms that adhere to higher welfare standards and more sustainable practices. Additionally, buying local eggs can reduce the carbon footprint associated with transportation. Supporting sustainable egg farming not only helps the environment, but also promotes better animal welfare. By making informed choices, we can enjoy our favorite egg dishes while taking care of our planet. So next time you're at the grocery store, take a moment to consider the environmental impact of your egg choices. Together, we can make a difference, one egg at a time. As we've seen, eggs are not just a versatile ingredient, but also have a significant environmental impact. Now, let's take a journey back in time and explore the rich history of eggs in cuisine across various cultures. Eggs have been a staple in human diets for thousands of years. In ancient Egypt, they were considered a symbol of fertility and rebirth. Egyptians even placed eggs in tombs, believing they would provide sustenance in the afterlife. Moving to ancient Rome, eggs were a popular appetizer, often served with honey and spices. The Romans also developed early methods of egg preservation, such as pickling, which allowed them to enjoy this nutritious food year-round. In China, eggs have been used in culinary traditions for over 2,000 years. Century eggs, a delicacy made by preserving eggs in a mixture of clay, ash, and salt, are a testament to the innovative ways eggs have been utilized in Chinese cuisine. In medieval Europe, eggs were a luxury item, often reserved for the wealthy and for religious feasts. They were used in a variety of dishes, from hearty stews to intricate pastries, showcasing their versatility. In Japan, the art of tamagoyaki, or rolled omelet, has been perfected over centuries. This dish is a staple in Japanese breakfasts and bento boxes, highlighting the cultural significance of eggs in Japanese cuisine. In Mexico, huevos rancheros, a traditional breakfast dish featuring eggs served on tortillas with salsa, demonstrates the vibrant flavors and culinary creativity that eggs bring to Mexican cuisine. From the delicate quiche of France to the hearty shakshuka of the Middle East, eggs have played a crucial role in shaping the culinary landscapes of countless cultures. They have not only provided sustenance but have also been a symbol of life, renewal, and creativity. As we continue to enjoy eggs in our daily meals, let's remember their historical journey and the rich cultural heritage they represent. Every egg dish we prepare is a connection to the past, a celebration of human ingenuity and culinary tradition. So next time you crack an egg, think about the centuries of history and cultural significance it embodies. It's more than just food, it's a link to our shared human story. As we reflect on the rich history of eggs in cuisine, it's essential to look forward and explore the future of egg production. With the world facing numerous challenges, from environmental concerns to ethical considerations, the way we produce and consume eggs is evolving rapidly. One of the most exciting developments is the rise of plant-based eggs. Made from ingredients like mung beans, chickpeas, and other legumes, these alternatives mimic the taste, texture, and nutritional profile of traditional eggs without the need for animal farming. Companies like Just and Follow Your Heart are at the forefront of this innovation, creating products that are not only delicious but also sustainable. Additionally, lab-grown eggs are making waves in the food industry. Using cellular agriculture, scientists can produce egg proteins in a lab setting, reducing the need for large-scale poultry farming. This technology promises to minimize the environmental impact of egg production, cutting down on greenhouse gas emissions, water usage, and land requirements. These innovations are not just about sustainability, they also address ethical concerns. By reducing reliance on traditional egg farming, we can improve animal welfare and create a more humane food system. Consumers are becoming increasingly aware of the conditions in which their food is produced, and the demand for cruelty-free options is on the rise. Moreover, these advancements open up new culinary possibilities. Plant-based and lab-grown eggs can be customized to enhance nutritional content, such as adding more vitamins or reducing cholesterol. This means we can enjoy our favorite egg dishes while also benefiting from improved health outcomes. As we move forward, it's clear that the future of eggs is bright and full of potential. By embracing these innovations, we can create a more sustainable, ethical, and nutritious food system. The next time you enjoy an omelet or scramble, consider the possibilities that lie ahead and the positive impact these advancements can have on our world. The future of eggs is not just about what we eat, but how we produce it. It's a journey towards a better, more sustainable future for all. Stay tuned as we continue to explore the fascinating world of eggs and the exciting developments shaping their future.